Hello everyone. In this video, we will see how to create Capcut template. So let's get started. First of all, let's navigate to the Capcut app on your mobile and tap to open it. Once the app opens up, you can start creating template by simply tapping on create. But if you tap on the template from the bottom menu of the screen, you will get hundreds of free templates. You can explore all these templates yourself, and if you want to use any from here, simply tap on that. Once it opens up on the screen, you can use it for your video by simply tapping on use template from the right bottom. Now let's go back to the edit section and let's create a new template. Select media files from the mobile album and from the right bottom tap on add. Here we are in the Capcut video editor where you can add effects, transitions, overlays, text and animations. You can also apply filters, adjust colors and video visibility according to your desire. Capcut also helps you with the trending effects. Simply tap on the effect and that will automatically apply to your video. So this is how you can create a template in Capcut. I hope this video is helpful for you. For more information, please subscribe our YouTube channel and thank you for watching.